Now, the students, here I am going to give you the lecture on the electric potential due to a point charge. Now, electric potential due to a point charge. We have already discussed about the electric potential in previous lectures. The electric potential, it is the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to any point in an electric field is known as electric potential at that point. And we have also gone through the SI unit of electric potential, that is volt. Okay. Now here we are assuming electric potential due to a point charge. We are assuming here a point, say O, where we have taken a positive charge Q. Now we are bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a point, say it is B. Okay. Now we are bringing this, which is at a distance of x from O, where we have kept unit positive charge. Now when we talk about the positive charge, means there will be also an electric field. And when there is an electric field and when we are bringing a unit positive charge, definitely we have to do some work. If we are bringing this charge from here to say at A, we want to bring this charge up to R, a distance up to a point P, where the distance which we have taken R, which is R distance away from the positive charge. Now if we are bringing this positive charge from infinity to this point, and if we move from this to this, we are assuming a very small distance dx. This is a very small distance dx. So we have to do some work, and when we are doing some work, so work done per unit positive charge will give the electric potential. So here first we will define the work done. Okay. Now before defining the work done, we must know the force. Now here unit positive charge, instead of that what we can say, we are having a test charge Q0. But by basic definition it is a unit positive charge. Okay. So if the charge is here, so it will experience a force, and that will be a force of repulsion in this direction. Force will be in this direction. So here what we are getting, F is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q naught upon x square, which we have taken this distance from O, it is B, where unit positive charge is kept. यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज रखा हुआ है, और ये डिस्टेंस जहाँ पे हम लेके आ रहे हैं, that is point B, which is x distance away from here. इस Q naught चार्ज को हम कहाँ से लेके आ रहे हैं? इंफिनिटी से लेके आ रहे हैं. Okay. Well, we are bringing this unit positive charge from infinity. Okay. Now see here, what we have got this force over here. Now if we are moving in this direction, we have to do some work, and we have taken a very small distance. हमने एक छोटा small distance लिया हुआ, तो work done भी क्या होगा? That will be also, work done will be very small. And if we talk in terms of this f dot dx, we can have f dx cos theta. Now here if we go with this angle, we are moving in this direction, force is acting in the opposite. We are moving in the direction opposite to the direction of the force. So this theta will be 180 degree. Theta क्या होगा? 180 डिग्री होगा, क्योंकि फोर्स इस डायरेक्शन में लग रहा है एंड वी आर मूविंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन. हम इस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहे हैं, और जब हम इस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहे हैं तो वर्क जो एंगल बन रहा है इन दोनों के बीच में, वो क्या बन रहा है? एफ डी एक्स cos theta, where theta is equal to 180 degree. So dw, which we can take f dx, and this cos 180, which is equals to -1, we know that. So this is a small amount of work done, and if we are bringing towards P, means we have to do very small work done from year to year to year to year. So we are assuming total work done because of this dw is, and we are bringing it from infinity to R. That's why we will be taking this infinity to R. Okay. Now we are going to substitute this here. What we are getting? Infinity to R dw, which is equals to what we are getting it here, minus f dx. Okay. So total work done that we have got it in minus infinity to r minus f dx. Now we can substitute the value of f now. That is infinity to r f, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q into q naught upon x square into dx, which is equal to the total work done. Now here we can write it here, q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus, and this will be from infinity to r 1 upon x square dx, or we can write minus q naught into q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught x raised to the power minus 2 dx from infinity to r. This is the work done which is in the opposite direction. Why it is in the opposite direction, that we have already studied. Now here I am going to have this relation over here. Now we are having here w, which is minus q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus x square dx. If we are integrating it, what will be the relation? We will be having x minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, and the limit is from infinity to r. So here what we are getting, minus q into q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is minus 1 and x to the power minus 1 infinity to r. So finally what we can write, q into q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught, it will be minus 1 upon x infinity to r. Okay. Now what we are getting here, the total work done, that is that will be given by w is equals to minus q into q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and we are going to substitute the values, minus 1 upon r minus plus 1 upon infinity, and 1 upon infinity is going to be 0, and minus 1 upon r multiplied with this give you the q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught into r, which is equals to w. So what we have got here, work done for bringing this q naught charge from infinity to up to this point r is the work done that we have calculated here. Now if we want to know the electric potential at that particular point, इस पॉइंट पे हमको इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफाइन करना है, तो हमारी डेफिनेशन इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की बोलती है W upon Q naught. Okay, so if we have got this relationship W upon Q naught, so here we can substitute this value. So electric potential W, that is Q into Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught into R into Q naught. This will give the electric potential, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R. This is the relationship which we have got for electric potential due to a point charge. If we want to know the electric potential at this point, which is at a distance of R, एक R distance पे है, Q पॉजिटिव चार्ज रखा हुआ है, तो ये R पे रखा हुआ चार्ज कितना इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल यहाँ पे दे रहा है? It is giving you 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 9 into R, or we can write it like this, 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 Q upon R. Now this charge is constant, means here the electric potential is directly proportional to 1 upon R. As you are moving away from this, the electric potential is going to decrease. If you go in all direction, what will happen? आप all directions में जाएंगे पॉजिटिव चार्ज के, इसमें the electric potential is going to be decreased as you are moving away from the charge. Okay. Now see here what we have got, V is inversely proportional to R, means as we are moving away from this, means spherically we can see, if we are taking it spherically in all direction, the value of R is going to increase, and as the value of R is increasing in all direction, the electric potential is going to decrease. If we get a relationship, say V and R, so at 0 it is going to be infinity, and at R is increasing up to infinity, it is electric potential is going to be 0. So at infinity, because 1 upon infinity is going to be equal to 0, So इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल जो है 1/infinity मीन्स इंफिनिटी पे जीरो होगा एंड नियर दिस विल बी मोर एज वी आर मूविंग. जैसे जैसे हम दूर जाएंगे, जैसे जैसे हम विल मूव अवे फ्रॉम द charge, it is going to decrease. This we can represent it in this form. We can represent it in this form. Okay. So this way we can have the electric potential due to a point charge. In the next lecture, we will go with the electric potential due to a number of charges or multiple charges. Okay. So we will concluding here with this lecture. Okay.